she's been dreaming of fixing her tired old Queenslander for years. The peeling paint, the sagging deck, the bathroom tiles that have seen better decades. Every time she saves a little, something else breaks. A leaking roof, a dodgy switch, a plumber bill that wipes out her plans again. She's not trying to build a mansion, she just wants her home to feel safe, solid hers. But the quotes keep creeping up, the timelines keep blowing out, and every night she sits at the kitchen table wondering how she'll ever get ahead when the house keeps falling behind. One day, Amy realized she didn't have to patch things forever. She could roll the big jobs, the roof, the deck, the bathroom, into one clear renovation loan. One plan, one budget, no more guessing what surprise bill is coming next. Now Amy knows exactly what she can afford. She's finally replacing the things she's been putting up with for years, and for the first time in a long time, her home feels like a future she can actually build toward.